trying to get the man.
All right. What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back. Let me adjust myself here. Welcome back to the channel here at Franky Collects. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. In today's video, as you guys can see, I got two Jordan 1 pickups that I got today. As you guys know, today the Air Jordan 1 Retro BIOHACKs released this morning. They released pretty much on all foot sites, Foot Locker, East Bay, I believe Champs, JD Sports, everything. I took a bunch of L's, and as well as on the Sneakers app. Sneakers app was just straight trash, guys. I honestly can never get a W on Sneakers app, but whatever. I did get 2 W's from 2 different locations of Foot Lockers that are in my local areas. Let me know your guys' experience picking these up. It seems like this release was kind of limited for a lot of areas. In this area of San Diego, one area actually only got like 20 pairs, and I'm not sure how the inventory was on the other location. I'm pretty sure they got more. This is a sneaker that you guys should hold. Do not sell these BIOHACKs. I feel like these are going to shoot up in value, in my opinion. We'll actually check out market right now. Market right now is looking pretty high. I'm gonna go through StockX. Normally I don't really mess with StockX, but when it comes to the market prices, I definitely use StockX for reference. So for a size 8, 2 of these are a size 8, and they go for $285, and this sneaker retails at $170 plus tax. It comes around, I believe, 180 something, 180 plus. So you're pretty much making $100 profit right there. The fact that they're already at $285 plus and almost $300 depending on the size, like for a size 12 through a 13, it's looking like about $320. I am going to go back to my local malls on Sunday to see if they got extra pairs, including GS pairs. Surprisingly, you guys, GS pairs do resell, as these will definitely go up in value. Please hold them. If you are one of those people out there that have multiple pairs, I think this is gonna make you a lot of profit in the long run. The reason why I'm talking about resell and just profit, because I think I'm going to invest a little bit more on buying multiple pairs and just reselling them. I am becoming of a low-key reseller. I do know the market pretty well when it comes to sneakers. I do love reviewing shoes, but making money is definitely a plus, just because I have 2 kids, and I think I need to think about long-term when it comes to buying a lot of these sneakers. But like I said, I'm gonna hold on to these. I'm gonna try to buy multiple pairs. If you guys are trying to sell some pairs with a good price, hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below in the description box. I'm definitely trying to buy more pairs. Honestly, my goal when it comes to these, I'm trying to buy at least 20 pairs of these just to start this whole reselling thing. I do have a lot of people that resell on the daily, give me a lot of good advice when it comes to reselling. If you guys have any tips and advice when it comes to reselling, make sure you guys leave a comment down below, because I am kind of new to this. Do not sell these BIOHACKs. I honestly see these going up to $350. This may be a $400 shoe, but we will see. It seems like this was kind of limited. Let me know in the comment section as well how your area was, how many pairs did they get in your local areas. And like I said, it seems like they didn't really get a lot of pairs on these at Foot Locker in my local area. So let me know in the comment section below. I really like this just because it is a crazy shoe. It gives you that extra laces, as you guys can see, the same color as the liner right here. So I'm not a big fan of the pink right here. I think I'm just gonna keep the standard black if I would end up rocking these, just because the shoe itself is pretty crazy. But if you guys want to go a little bit more crazier, they have extra laces right here for you guys. So guys, leave your comments and your thoughts about this sneaker down below in the comment section. Should you hold, should you sell? You guys let me know all in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. If If you guys have more of these for sale, hit me up on Instagram. I am buying right now, so I'm definitely trying to reach the goal of 20 pairs of these to start off my little resale business. So like I said, guys, I appreciate all the love and support. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you guys hit that like button because it really helps the channel grow. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
I got their hands on, wonder why they hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping? Why you trying to get the man so?